Hey G Squad, welcome back to Is It Worth It? Today's episode, I got this kume here, and pretty much what this is a new product that I just bought from Human Made. I showed you guys a bunch of products from Human Made before, and this time we have another one here. So this is what the packaging looks like when you guys first get it, when you guys do get a mail, and I have to say that compared to when you guys buy it in person at the actual store, you save a lot of money, especially coming from a foreign country, going to Japan, you save on the tax as well, compared to when you guys ship it. Especially with the new all import tax and everything, it's been very, very expensive. So unless if I really want the product, which I do want in this case here, that's why I bought it for now. If I could wait for it to buy it in stock, then I can go there and buy it, but it's hard to buy because I don't have time to travel there in the last few weeks or few months. So last year or whenever, when I made all those Human Made videos, I show you guys all this product because I was traveling in Japan, but I haven't really had time because of all the videos and all the stuff I had to do for you guys in my videos. So that's why I got this one here. It's the first ever Human Made package that I got. So it says Human Made and everything all on here. I actually had the chance to try it on already, so that's why you guys can see the thing is already open. But the packaging and everything is the same, you can see right here. So pretty much what I bought this time around was a leather jacket here, and I also bought a hat. And when you guys buy the gift, I guess online they give you guys a little gift here, which is kind of cool. So a little Human Made heart here, and there's like a bunch of these little pin stuff that you guys can use. So pretty cool and thoughtful for them to provide that little free little gift. I hope that was a gift because I don't remember paying for that. But in terms of the hats that they do provide or had available for the new ones, and I do have to mention their hats and their stuff that they sell does sell pretty quickly, so keep that in mind when you guys do buy the products. So this is the hat that I got this time around, and compared to some of the other hats I'm currently wearing, it fits me just right for like this Celine hat here. But when I do wear their hats, I didn't realize it, but it doesn't really fit like really well on my hat or my head. It kind of sticks out a little bit, whereas like doesn't really fit on it just right compared to some of the other hats that I wear. Like right now when I wear it looks pretty good, but compared to some of the other hats when I wear, like this one here, it fits a little bit better, and this one doesn't really fit as well. I had to like open it all the way for the back part right here to actually fit it a lot better there. But this is pretty much what the hat looks like here when I do put it on. Still looks pretty decent, but not the same kind of material that you guys would get from like paying like something like this one here from Celine. That is a lot higher quality material, but still really cool little design hat here, but just not the same. So that was my first hat that I ever bought from Human Made. So now I learned my lesson to not buy another one from them again because it's just not right for me. And then this time, like I mentioned, I did buy another one of these denim jackets here. So I fell in love with the first one I bought, so that's why I bought another one of these. This one right here looks really cool. Let me put it on and show you what it looks like. So I actually never owned a denim jacket until the first one I bought from Human Made recently, and the one that I showed you guys in one of my videos. But this is the new one that they have. So this one is slightly different with color when you guys look at it compared to the other one that I showed you guys last time. I will bring it over and show you guys what it looks like as well. But it looks really nice when you guys do put it on. You can see they do have like the very nice designs on the little buttons here as well. That says Human Made on there both sides. This one does not have any pocket just like the other one here. The other one that you guys saw had a little pocket right here, but this one does not have a pocket on the outside. They actually have a pocket on the inside right here, which I honestly prefer a lot more. And it's a pretty deep pocket as well. So I can put like stuff inside, even maybe like a phone inside here as well. Like it literally fits my phone inside. That's how deep this pocket is compared to the normal one, which I see in a second, is not as deep. So that's pretty nice. I can keep my phone hidden inside, which is really cool. And one of the main reasons why I bought this one here, I did not know about the pocket here. But the one of the main reasons why I bought this was because of the design in the back. I love Human Made because they always have like those different animal design and stuff. And this one has the duck, which is pretty iconic when you guys do buy their stuff. So that's why I got this one here, which is a duck there. You can see it looks really cool. So this is the one that I bought this time around, and I honestly can't wait to wear this more often once like winter season comes. It's still pretty hot right now, so I don't really wear this as often yet. But like I mentioned, I do have another one that I've been wearing, and yeah, let me get that one to show you guys what it looks like for that one as well. All right, so here is the other one that I was talking about. So this is the first ever denim jacket that I bought ever from any brand, anywhere, whatever, and really nice design in terms of where you get. Still has a Human Made design on their buttons, everything. Really nice. Like I mentioned, no pockets here, no pockets here, no pockets on the inside as well. But this one does have the pocket on the outside. I just want to double check, no pocket in the inside, but they have the pocket here. So you can put stuff there as well. This one, if you guys put your phone inside, it does fit inside there as well. So a pretty deep pocket, just like the one on the outside or in the inside of the jacket. But this one stands out so people can see what you have there. Versus when you guys put it inside for the other jacket, it's not less noticeable. And then this one, when you guys look at the color, I honestly like the color a little bit more in this one than the other one, if I'm being honest. And then the design on the back is not as cool, if I'm being honest, compared to the other one that you just saw that has that duck design on there. That looks a lot cooler, if I'm being honest with you guys, for the design. But still, for this jacket right here, it sold out pretty quickly. When I first bought this one here at the actual store, it was already almost fully sold out and they only had a few sizes left. So I got lucky even getting this one here. And then for the other one there, I think that's already sold out already by the time you guys are watching this video here. So that's the thing about human-made stuff. It gains a big popularity on there recently within the last few years or so. And a lot of people have been wearing it. And because a lot of celebrities have been wearing it as well. So a big influence there, I think. But they do use high quality material and stuff to make their stuff, which I do like a lot. And they have those iconic animal design, which I do like a lot. But that's everything for this video here to showcase what you guys do get. And a quick little haul to show you guys what I got this time around from my first ever shipping delivery that got shipped from Japan. Really, really quickly. I think it was like 2 or 3 day delivery was really quick. As long as you guys pay the customs or tax or whatever, then you guys are fine. But it is very expensive compared to buying in the store, so just keep that in mind. But overall, the jacket itself really nice. The hat itself, like I mentioned, not a big fan of that one since it didn't really fit it too well. But this jacket is really nice in terms of what you guys do get. They have other products that they do launch every week, so stay tuned for those products there. But honestly, I think this is actually really worth it. Price-wise, I think it's really expensive and maybe a little bit overpriced, but it's still a nice jacket in terms of what you guys do get. Material and everything feels really nice. So I think it's really worth it for my situation. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this for one of these, they're obviously saving money for something else they actually do need.